Look who's back, beauties. I have here the L'Oreal Paris 32-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. This is my one of go-to foundation before, beauties. And look, I still have my old bottle. I have two shades here. This one is 120, warm undertone, and this one is 130, cool undertone. I'm not so sure sa shade ko, beauties, kasi sinundan ko lang yung sa dati ko. I'm the shade 130. And ang ganito yung tsura niya pag minix ko. And I think, guys, magsistick pa rin ako sa shade 130. So, this is the new Improved Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation, beauties. Before, this one is 24-hour wear. And now, this one is 32-hour wear. It still has SPF 25 and now it also has a vitamin C. This is non-comedogenic, suitable for all skin types and suitable for sensitive skin. And here's our side-by-side with and without the foundation. It has still a medium to full coverage, because as you can see, na-hide na yung aking mga blemishes, ang aking mga redness. Look at that. Lalo na dito sa aking nose area, beauty, sobrang nagre-red yan. And as you can see dito sa kabilang side is na-hide niya. Ang na-notice ko lang sa ating new improved beauties is mabilis siya mag-set, so dapat partial ka lang mag-apply at dapat mabilis ka mag-blend. And this is our look for whole face ng meron ng foundation, beauties. And I must say, beauties, mas gumanda yung kanyang self-setting kasi kahit hindi ka na mag-apply ng powder, para sa akin ha, is maganda yung kanyang self-setting. And also, this product claims is no transfer, kaya naman guys, nag-test ako sa kanya kung meron nga ba magta-transfer, and I doubt nga guys kasi maganda yung kanyang self-setting. And look, no transfer at all. It has a luminous, glowing skin finish, beauties, kaya naman very fresh lang talaga siya. And also, beauties, ang napansin ko rin sa kanya, hindi siya masyadong nag-oxidize, hindi masyadong nagbago ang kanyang shade, which is a plus points para sa akin. And here's my makeup looks like after a few hours, beauties. My makeup still look fresh and very intact, guys, except na lang sa aking nose part, which is kasi meron naman akong allergic rhinitis, so given na yan, ganyan na talaga ang aking nose. But overall, beauty, sobrang ganda pa rin ng lapat niya sa aking skin kahit ilang oras na yung nakakalipas. I've been testing this out for a week na, beauties, kaya naman talagang masasabi ko na maganda pa rin siya, guys. Wala pa rin pinagbago. Mas naging long-lasting lang siya at nagkaroon siya ng vitamin C. If you haven't tried this L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation, beauties, maybe this is your sign to check this out.